Hello everyone and welcome back. Iroju, manamoka kotta topic ni breakdown cheddam. In our previous sessions, we completely demystified the basic if and if-else statements, right? Well, today, we're going to take it a step further and master the if-else ladder and nested if concepts in C programming. We'll break down the logic, look at the code, and make sure these concepts become second nature to you.
Here is our step-by-step roadmap for today. We'll start with the if-else ladder concept, followed by a grading example. Then we'll dive into the nested if concept and a scholarship example. After that, we'll do a quick ladder versus nested if comparison and wrap it all up with our summary and takeaways. Let's jump right in.
Starting with the if-else ladder concept for checking multiple conditions. So what exactly should we do when checking just one condition is simply not enough?
Enter the if-else ladder, a Idioko programming structure that checks multiple conditions step by step. Imagine a literal physical ladder. The computer climbs down rung by rung. First condition check chestundi. If it's false, it moves to the next. But here's the real secret. True condition dorikan event ane, it stops completely. Our code block execute chessi, it ignores the rest of the ladder entirely. It's incredibly efficient.
Moving on to our grading example for assigning student marks. Let's see exactly how this plays out in a highly relatable, real-world scenario. Notice how these multiple conditions stack on top of each other, okay? Step 1. Marks 90 levantakante ekua unte, they get a grade A. If not, it falls to step 2. Marks 75 or above aithe, grade B. Akarakuda fail aithe, we hit step 3. 60 or above gets a grade C. And if absolutely all conditions fail, finally, step 4 catches it, otherwise, fail.
Let's put this into perspective. Imagine a student gets exactly 82 marks. Computerologist at the first rung, it asks, is 82 greater than or equal to 90? No, false. So next rung kiveltundi, is 82 greater than or equal to 75? Yes, E condition true. The computer stops right there, assigns grade B, and it doesn't even bother checking the 60 or fail conditions.
So code lo idi ela untundi. Manam oka integer declare chestam, int marks equals 82. The first if condition fails kabatti, it checks the next else if. Since marks greater than or equal to 75 is true, the program prints grade B and immediately exits the ladder. Exactly ide if-else ladder in action. It's literally that simple. Now that ladder is perfect for independent options. But oka condition, inkoka condition mida completely depend aithe em chestam. Like, what if you only want to ask the second question if the answer to the first question is a definite yes?
That brings us to the nested if concept. Conditions inside conditions. The word nested literally means lopala. Oka box lopala inko box pretinatta.
The absolutely crucial point here is dependency. A nested if is an if statement placed inside another if statement. Outer condition pass either thing, the computer will check the inner condition. Lida, it totally ignores it. The outer condition acts like a strict gatekeeper.
Let's look at a scholarship example. Multi-step verification. Ela chestamoka practical scenario letradal.
Suppose you're applying for a scholarship. Here are the steps. Step 1. Age 18 or older undali. If they are younger, ventinate, disqualify. Marks though pani ledo. But if step 1 is true, apudu step 2 kiwoltham. Marks 80 or above undali. Rendu sequential steps true aithene, we move to step 3 and approve the scholarship.
Let's trace the code for a 20-year-old applicant with 85 marks. We start with int age equals 20 and marks equals 85. Outer if low, 20 is greater than 18. Kabati idi true, the gate is open. Next, lopala una inner if check chestundi. 85 is greater than 80, so idikuda trune. It prints scholarship eligible. Now if their age was fine but their marks were, say, 70, the inner else would execute, printing marks are low. And if their age was under 18 to begin with, it skips the whole inner block, jumps straight to the outer else, and prints not eligible.
Next up is ladder versus nested if, knowing exactly when to use which. Knowing the syntax is great, but knowing the right tool for the job is what makes you a true programmer.
Let's compare them head to head. The if-else ladder is your go-to for multiple independent conditions. True condition dorkagane agipotundi. Grading systems or menu selections ki idi perfect. A nested if, on the other hand, is for dependent decisions. Outer true aithene inner check chestundi. Multi-step verifications like secure logins or scholarship approvals ki idi perfect.
Finally, our summary and takeaways, wrapping up today's lesson. Let's solidify these concepts in your minds.
Here is your quick recap. The if-else ladder is perfect for sifting through multiple independent conditions. The nested if is exactly what you need for dependent, step-by-step conditions. E-rendu structures, C programming decision-making low shala essential. You've got to master both.
So now that you know nested ifs inside and out, how will you master the switch statement next? We'll be tackling that, along with some great else if practice programs, in our next explainer. E-discussion Miko help with it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep learning. Happy coding, and Cal Udom next time.